Looking to take control of your lubrication program? OilSafe's color-coded labeling solutions offer a smarter, safer way to identify lubricants, reduce errors, and prevent cross-contamination. In this short video, discover the key benefits of the OilSafe color-coded drum label kit and the OilSafe labeling evaluation kit. The OilSafe color-coded drum label kit helps match your drums, lids, and labels using OilSafe's 10 standard colors. Designed for industrial use, the kit ensures the right lubricant is used in the right machine, reducing downtime, accidents, and costly mix-ups. It includes a secure label pocket, color-coded frame, lockable drum ring, label leash, and more. To evaluate the labeling system in action, the OilSafe Labeling Evaluation Kit gives you everything you need to trial the system across your site, ideal for audits, training, or decision-making. Label pocket frames, in all 10 OilSafe colors for accurate identification. Small and large label pockets, perfect for fitting different label sizes securely. Lockable drum rings, keeping your labels safe and your drums sealed. Label leashes and high-strength magnets, for flexible and secure attachment. ID washer clamps and wraps, to tag fill points with confidence. Water-resistant content labels, built for demanding industrial settings. ID washers in multiple sizes, color-coded and ready for field use. Ready to improve safety, compliance, and efficiency across your lubrication program? Choose OilSafe. Trusted by maintenance professionals worldwide. Contact us today to get started.